Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn English with us. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something we all share, feelings and emotions.
Ooh, that's interesting. Because sometimes I understand words like happy or sad, but when I want to describe my emotions more precisely, I don't know what to say.
Exactly. So today, we'll learn how to talk about how we feel, not just good or bad, but everything in between. 1. Talking about basic feelings. Let's start with the basics, the emotions we feel every day. Here are some of the most common. Emotion example sentence. Happy. I'm happy today. She feels happy about her new job. Sad. He's sad because he lost his wallet. Angry. I'm angry. My internet stopped working again. Tired. I'm so tired after work. Excited. We're excited for the weekend. Worried. I'm worried about the test tomorrow.
So we always say, I'm plus adjective, right?
Exactly. I'm happy. I'm tired. I'm excited. You can also use feel. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel nervous.
Oh, so I'm and I feel are both okay.
Yes, but I feel focuses more on your emotion inside. Different ways to say I'm happy. Let's learn a few ways to say I'm happy, so you don't always repeat the same word. I'm glad. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling great. I'm over the moon. Very happy. I'm thrilled. Equals super excited and happy. I'm on top of the world. Equals very positive, confident.
Over the moon? That sounds so poetic.
Yes, it's a lovely idiom. For example, she was over the moon when she got the job.
And thrilled is like very excited.
Exactly. Thrilled is a strong, positive emotion. 3. Talking about sadness. Now let's talk about feeling sad. It's a part of life too. You can say, I'm a bit down. I'm feeling blue. I'm heartbroken. I'm depressed. Be careful. This can mean a serious condition. I'm in low spirits. I'm not in the mood today.
Oh, feeling blue. I've heard that in songs.
Yes, it's a very common idiom in English. It means a little sad.
So if I say I'm feeling blue today, it means I'm sad, but not crying, just not happy.
Exactly. Perfect understanding. 4. Talking about anger or frustration. Now let's talk about anger. When something annoys you, you can say, I'm angry, I'm mad. Informal, especially in American English. I'm furious, very angry. I'm annoyed, less strong. I'm upset can mean sad or angry.
So, upset is not always angry.
Good question. Upset is emotional. It can mean sad, disappointed, or frustrated.
Okay, so if my friend forgets my birthday, I can say, I'm upset.
Exactly. That's polite but clear.
And mad is more casual, right?
Yes, I'm mad at you means I'm angry with you. It's friendly and often used among close people. 5. Talking about being tired or stressed. Everyone gets tired sometimes. Here are a few ways to express it. I'm exhausted equals very tired. I'm drained equals tired emotionally. I'm worn out equals physically tired. I'm beat equals very informal, used in the US. I'm under a lot of pressure equals stressed. I'm burned out equals too tired because of work or studying too much.
Oh, burned out. That's me during exam week.
Ha 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 ha. Yes, we've all been there. Burned out means you've lost energy and motivation.
So if I say I'm burned out, it means I need rest, not just sleep.
Exactly. You need a break, maybe a vacation. 6. Common mistakes with feelings. Be careful. In English, we say, I feel cold, not I have cold. I feel sick, not I have sick. And remember, I'm boring means I make people bored. If you are not interested, you say, I'm bored.
Ha ha. So if I say I'm boring, that's not good.
Exactly. You'd be calling yourself uninteresting. So, I'm bored equals I feel bored. I'm boring equals I make others bored. 7. Talking about worry or fear. Let's look at worry and fear. You can say, I'm nervous. I'm scared. I'm afraid. I'm anxious equals worried inside. I'm terrified equals very scared.
What's the difference between scared and afraid?
They mean the same thing, but afraid sounds a bit softer or more formal. For example, I'm afraid of spiders, more common in speaking.
And terrified is stronger, right?
Yes, if someone says, I'm terrified, it means extremely scared. 8. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice together slowly. Repeat after me. I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm tired. I'm worried. I'm sad. I'm angry.
I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm tired, I'm worried, I'm sad, I'm angry.
Perfect. Remember to stress the emotion word. Say it with feeling.
Ha ha. Okay, I'm angry.
Yes, that's it. 9. Practice conversation. Let's see how we use emotions in real life. Hey Maya, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, I'm a bit tired but excited. We're recording my favorite topic.
Nice. Yesterday I was exhausted too. I slept for 10 hours.
Wow, lucky you. I'm jealous.
Ha 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 ha. Another emotion. Jealous.
Oh, yes. Add that to the list.
10. Review and wrap up. So today, we explored the world of basic emotions. Happy, sad, angry, tired, worried, and excited.
And we learned so many ways to say them, like over the moon, feeling blue, and burned out.
Exactly. And remember, feelings make conversations more human. If you can express your emotions, your English sounds more natural and alive.
Beautifully said.
Thank you, Maya. And in the next episode, we'll go deeper. Complex emotions like pride, guilt, surprise, love, and frustration.
Ooh, can't wait for that one.
See you in Feelings and Emotions, Part 2.
Bye, everyone.